Alright, here's today's video. This is just a SCX-10 chassis with a 3D printed body. Project IJ, which you can find on Umagine. You can buy the files there and download them. This has a lot of the update files. It has a few of my own custom things. This has a unique feature that this one has a sound system. So if you like the music, it's Voice the Cast. You can find them on YouTube and Spotify and quite a few other places. It's a local band, and I do have permission to use this music. So I'm going to play the music and show you some of the features and shut up and show you. So enjoy. Just go back here to the back. I have a play button, a nice subwoofer.
Situation's getting way out of hand. I feel these walls are closing in where I stand. My patience runs so thin, I'm losing my mind. About time I find a way to leave this behind. I've been betrayed, I've been let down. I don't want to claim the pain. The saving grace within my Lord, now it seems it gone astray. I've been surrounded by the faces of doom. It's always different, but it's still always you. I feel the need to always take all the blame. You want an exit, let me show you the way. How many lies should I believe? 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 I've been betrayed, I've been let down. I don't want to claim the pain. The saving grace within my Lord, now it seems it gone astray. I feel these walls are closing in all the time. About time I find a way to leave this behind.
Thanks for watching.